In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Just Eat driver account. Now all you have to do is to go to Google Chrome or your browser, then type in make Just Eat driver account in Google. After that, just access the first link, which is this, that you can apply to make fast cash with flexible work, working as a delivery driver. So you can see here what Just Eat delivers for you. Then go ahead, click add apply now. So after you do that, just give it a moment. Then go ahead, fill out this form with your first name, last name, email, phone number, and your city, town where you live. So after you do that, you will be all good to go. Then just go ahead, click on create an account after you are all done. Then give it a password. After that, just click on continue. Now one last step you have to do is to go ahead, log in with the same details you did. So after you log in, you can apply to work for Just Eat. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.